uns heute Abend die Band Insieme durch den Abend geleiten. Und wir haben auch weitere Programmpunkte.
Genau, wir haben ein paar Ehrengäste hier heute eingeladen, mit denen wir Gespräche führen werden. Natürlich alles rund um das Thema La Cimbali. In diesem Sinne zur Vorspeise mal guten Appetit.
Gute Unterhaltung den restlichen Abend und wir hören uns bald wieder. Mahlzeit.
Mahlzeit.
Wir möchten Andrea Clerici begrüßen, den Global Group Sales and Commercial Director von Gruppo Cimbali. Applaus bitte.
Wir nennen das so wie ein Ökosystem, der sein Prinzip in der Maschine hat, aber mit vielen anderen Teilen.
Drei, zwei, eins.
Die neue La Cimbali M200.
Die Maschine, die M200 ist eine Maschine, die spricht verschiedene Sprachen. Es spricht die Sprache für die Barista, weil es ist gedacht und entwickelt, um eine ganze ergonomische Design und dann die Sprache von die Kunde, von die andere Seite, wo ist sehr attraktive, wo die kann man wirklich eine zählen, die wir sind seriös, um Kaffee zu produzieren.
M200, Cimbali's new machine. Have you had a chance to work on it?
Yeah, I just had the chance to first really work on it. I mean, I first saw it in Milan, but now I actually had the time and opportunity to work with it. It's a great machine. It's perfect for ergonomics, much easier to handle, let's say. And yeah, makes a great espresso.
Yeah, but did you have fun tonight?
Yeah, it was a great event. I really liked the music.
True, they were amazing. Like so much
energy.
Yeah, that's the word I was looking for. Yeah.
So yeah, I definitely enjoyed it. It was
really good. It was good fun.
Quite a different event, I'd say.
Yeah.
But it was good with a lot of people and everyone was really nice.
Yeah.
I sure enjoyed it and a great location as well.
Definitely, it's beautiful in here, and you'll get to see a taste of it. That's not something you say, is it? You definitely get to see it through that movie. So
yeah, I hope you enjoyed it, and hopefully you'll see one of these machines sometime soon and get to work with it. It's a lot of fun.
It was lovely being back on Bean Talk. So
yeah, so thank you very much.
Oh, you're welcome.
And yeah, you want to do the honors?
I want to do the honors. Have a wonderful week and drink loads of great coffee. See you. No, you have to say that because I don't see you next week. So.
See you next week. Bye.
Bye.